this lesson, we'll be using Flash to create an animation using tweens, and the final result will look something like this. The first step is to open a new Flash document, go to the File menu, click on New, select Flash File, and click OK. Open the Document Properties dialog box, go to the Modify menu, select Document. In the dimension fields, enter 1024 by 576. Make sure the frame rate is 25 frames per second and click OK. Now we can zoom in and out on our project by going Apple- to zoom out or Apple+ to zoom in. In the timeline, control-click on Layer 1 and select Insert Layer. Highlight Frame 1 of Layer 2, then go to the File menu, scroll down to Import and select Import to Stage. And from the course material provided, select Man Profile 01 and click Import. Make sure Import as a single flattened bitmap is not ticked, then click OK. Go to the Modify menu and select Convert to Symbol, and the Convert to Symbol dialog box appears. Name this symbol Man, and the symbol type is Graphic. Click OK. Now to edit that symbol, double click on it. Double click again to open up the layers, and with all frames highlighted here in the timeline, control click and scroll down to Copy Frames. Now in the top left of the document window, click on the Man symbol, and in the timeline, control click on frame 1 and select Paste Frames. Double click on layer 1 and name it R-Arm. Now go back to scene 1 in the top left of the document window, and now we can size and position our symbol. Go to the Modify menu, scroll down to Transform and select Scale and Rotate. In the Scale field, enter 50% and click OK. Now drag it to the center of the screen. Now double click on the Man symbol, click on the right upper leg, then shift click on the right lower leg. Then go to Modify, Convert to Symbol. Name this symbol R-Leg. Click OK. In the timeline, double click on the R upper leg layer and name it R-Leg. Control click on the R lower leg and delete layer. Now shift click on both parts of the left leg, go to Modify, Convert to Symbol, name that symbol L-Leg and click OK. Name that layer L-Leg and delete the L lower leg layer. Now we're going to set the axis for each of those symbols. Select the Free Transform tool, select the right leg, then drag the center axis up onto the hip. Then select the left leg and drag the axis up onto the hip. Go back to the black arrow tool and double click on the right leg symbol. Select the upper leg, copy it, Apple C, then delete it with the delete key. Insert a new layer, select frame 1 of the new layer, and in the Edits menu select Paste in Place. Control click on frame 32 of layer 2 and select Insert Frame. Control click on frame 1 of layer 1 and select Create Classic Tween. With the Free Transform tool selected, move the axis of the lower leg up onto the knee. Control click on frame 32 of layer 1 and select Insert Keyframe. Move the play marker to frame 16 and insert a keyframe. Move to frame 24, insert another keyframe. Then rotate the leg back at about 45 degrees. Now go back to the Man symbol and repeat the process with the left leg. Double click, highlight the upper leg, Apple C, delete, insert a new layer, select frame 1 of the new layer, go to Edit, Paste in Place. At frame 32, control click to insert frame. On layer 1, control click, create classic tween. Position the axis at the knee. Control click to insert a keyframe at frame 32. At frame 16, enter another keyframe. And at frame 8, enter one more keyframe. And rotate the leg back to about 45 degrees. Then click on Scene 1 at the top left of the document. Now save your file, go to the File menu, scroll down to Save, name the project Man Walking 01 and give it a directory path, and click Save. And in the next lesson we'll finish off making our animation using tweens.